Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, of course, it is time to take this off again. I'm not a cosplayer, but I'm pretty happy with whatever I did here. These things are just paper. This wig was $5, and I think that's pretty obvious as well. I look like Humpty Dumpty, I live for it, but I'm taking off the bald cap. Oh, and these? Cardboard and duct tape. Also, that one hurt more than I expected. Then we gotta do it again. No, I can't. Okay, no, look, 3, 2, 1. And now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Oh, scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. That's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok, because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it. It is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak, Valeria, yes. Contacts? Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day, and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day.
Oh my gosh. Take off my makeup with me. I have someone getting to my house to give me an IV in 8 minutes. We gotta do this quick. Oh my goodness, I can't see it all. Take off the cloak. Wipe, 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 wipe. They are going to think that I am crazy. I was also near having a panic attack with that thing on my mouth, so the transition was not that good. But I just needed to be done. I hope y'all are enjoying the Fears and Phobias series because I like them a lot. I am also starving and wish I had time to eat before she got here. But it's fine, she gonna be pumped.
Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact, we gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much special effects lately. It's because I'm still on vacation. It's been so long since I felt latex on my face. Let's take it off. I forgot how to do this. Okay, I think that was so easy. Look at how nasty this looks though. Now I just gotta wash the rest of this off. Your favorite nightmare fuel? And just like that, I am all clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now.